PTI Securities and Futures coming to you for your daily wrap-up for Monday, February 13th. Overnight, relatively narrow S&P range, 9 points, mostly to the upside. Asian markets are up a little bit, the European markets are up a little bit. The good news, I guess, temporarily, is that the Greek Parliament decided to vote more austerity packages. Certainly wasn't greeted with too much fanfare in Greece, as they burnt down 45 buildings in riots in downtown Athens. So to say that this is going to be an unpopular decision on their part would probably be an understatement. So even though we greeted with a lot of euphoria today, realistically the IMF and the EU have to both give their stamp of approval here, and by the way, Greece actually has to physically do it when the time comes. So all of those are kind of up in the air. That being said, there was an update. The S&P up 9. Closed at 1351. The Dow up 72 on the 12,874. So realistically, we got back everything we gave up on Friday. So it's hard to believe that this one vote was enough to calm all the fears, but it appears like it was today. Nasdaq up 27, powered primarily by Apple. Apple above $500 most of the day here today. The 10-year note picked up 2 basis points. The yield is now 1.99. We're edging back close to the 2% level on the yield, which obviously means that there's less fear out there. The dollar was slightly negative here today. Gold had a pretty wild day, was up and down all around, but basically it closed down 80 cents. Didn't have much in the way of fundamental news here today. The only thing that came out was the Japanese GDP was a little bit lower than expected. Didn't get in the way of the update though. But we do have a pretty full calendar later in the week. We got the CPI, PTI, industrial production, capacity utilization, all those coming out Wednesday through Friday this week. So we should have a relatively busy week. Hopefully the volumes will start picking up. It's been Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures.